Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we'll learn how to calculate payoff and profits in options. So in the last video, we understood what long call, short call, long put, short put actually meant with what payoff and profit in options mean. So today we are going to take the next step, and that is we are going to learn how to calculate the payoff and profit. So before we begin, I just want to tell you guys that if there is any disturbance in my sound in this video, please ignore it and just try to ignore it because it is coming because of these devices that I'm using to write on the laptop. It's nothing else. Okay, so let's move on. So, if you guys don't know what a long call and everything is, first of all, go and watch the previous video of my derivatives, and then come and watch this because you'll understand it better. I am not going to cover basics all over again. In this video, we are only going to learn on how to solve sums of all of the long calls and everything, long call and long put. So, let's begin. So under payoff, there are two things. First is, so for payoff, how can we calculate payoff for call and put? So for call, we can calculate payoff as spot minus strike. And for put, it is strike price minus spot price. Just learn this, okay? You just need to learn this, and I'll teach you how to solve everything else. And for profit, it is payoff minus premium. Now, how is it all going to be calculated for long call and all? We learn now. So why is it like spot minus strike for call and strike price minus spot price for put? Half of it you'll understand in my previous videos, and half of it you'll understand in this video. So let's move on. I'm basically going to take four sums. In that only I'll teach you. So two sums are for call and two sums are for put. In that only I'll teach you how to calculate for long call, short call, and long put, short put. So first the question is for long call. Now, for long call, the spot price is, suppose in exam you have given, the spot price is 230 and strike price is 200. So what will your payoff be? Okay. So we have learned that for call option, your payoff will be calculated with the formula as spot price minus strike price. So your spot price, that is the current price of the option, is 230 and the strike price is 200. So your payoff is simply 230 minus 200 is equal to 30 rupees. And okay, for long call, for a situation that is, suppose the spot price is 230 and strike price is 200, and let's consider premium as 10 rupees. So for a payoff of call, we have learned that the formula is spot price minus strike price. So what is the spot price here? That is the current price 230. So when the spot price is greater than the strike price 230 minus 200, the payoff will be 30 rupees. And what will be the final profit of that person, of the investor? That the 30 rupees, the payoff that he has got, minus the premium that he has paid to the short call person from whom he has bought that option. He will have to pay 10 rupees. So reducing those 10 rupees, the profit will be 20. So your payoff is 30 and your profit is 20. Now, in this case itself, suppose this exact same thing is given as a short call example. So, what will your payoff be? Your payoff for call short call will just be the same number but negative 30 rupees. But now, if now for long call, the long call person is paying 10 rupees to the short call person, right? So he has the person who has a short call, he has the 10 rupees premium, correct? So plus 10 is equal to 20 will be his final loss here. Understood? So someone has a gain here, so somebody has to lose. When someone has a gain here, somebody has to lose. Let's take one more example. Now, this example is a bit different, okay? For this example, for same long call position, now what have we learned? For call, it is spot. For payoff, for call option, it is spot minus strike. So spot is 80, strike is 100. So 80 minus 100 is equal to minus 20. And minus 20, so minus 20 is the loss, correct? But no, payoff will never be in negative. If you have an answer as minus 20, it will actually be written as 0. So the profit will be 0 minus 10 as minus 10. So minus 10 is your loss for the long call position. For similar scenario in short call position, again when we calculate spot minus strike, it will come down to 0, correct? But this 10 rupees that the long call position holder has paid to the short call position holder will be the profit of short call position holder. And this is how the sums actually work. So in last video, we have seen that for if you guys don't remember or if you guys want to revise, just go back to that video and see that the maximum profit a long call position holder is unlimited. See here it is 20 and so it can be anything more than 0. Okay, it is unlimited. But the maximum profit for a short call position will always be a premium that he has received. And from this sum, we understand from this number, we understand the maximum loss a long call bearer, long call holder will bear is the premium that he has gained. And for short call position holder, from this number, we will understand that the maximum loss the short call position holder will have is unlimited. It can go to any number. Okay? I have explained this in last video, but if you have not understood it there, now here with an example you are able to understand. So just revise both of them together once. Now let's move on to the put position. So for long put position, spot price should be less than strike price. This is the ideal scenario for someone who is holding a long put position. The long put position bearer wants the market to fall, correct? So spot price will be lower than strike price, correct? So the payoff is calculated as strike price minus the spot price. Now your strike price is 380. So 380 minus 320 will give you 60 rupees of payoff. And the profit will be whatever the payoff is. So here it is 60 minus the 10 rupees that he has paid to the short put position to buy that option. So the total profit will be 60 minus 10 is equal to 50. So for opposite, for short put position, what have we discussed? We have to just do negative of this number, and this is the payoff of the short put position. But the short put position has received the premium that is 10 rupees here. So we'll add this 10 rupees in the payoff and it will give us the final loss that the short put position holder has. That is minus 50. So just negative of this. For next situation, the spot price is greater than the strike price here. So the payoff will be 160 minus, sorry, so the payoff here will be 140 minus 160, and that is minus 20. But what have we discussed? The payoff can never be negative, correct? So the payoff finally will be zero here. And what is the profit? Profit is zero minus the premium paid, and that is minus 10 is the maximum loss of the long put position. Now for short put position, what have we discussed? Just take negative of this number. So minus 0 is always 0. So 0 is the payoff of the short put position and plus the gains, that is the premium. He has gained the premium, correct? So 10 rupees. 10 rupees is the final profit of the short put position. From this situation, we understand that the maximum profit a short put position holder will have is the premium that he is paid. Okay? And the maximum loss that the long put position holder will have is the premium that he has paid. That is 10 rupees. This was it for solving of the calculation of the profit and the payoff of the options. You just need to remember that the payoff can never be negative and it will always be zero. Always start from calculating for long position, be it long call or long put, and then just convert it to the negative. So you'll get the answers for the short call and short put. I hope you understood this. If you did not, please comment down any doubts and I'll try to clear it in the community section of the uh, YouTube or in the chats or sorry, or in the comments itself.